Hey there fellow traders, welcome back to our channel. I am Martin and today we're going to debunk some common misconceptions about trading that might be holding you back from success. So let's dive in. False notion number 1. Trading is a get-rich-quick scheme. Oh, how we wish it were right. But let's be real, trading requires skill, patience, and a solid strategy. It's not a magic money-making machine. False notion number 2. You need a fortune to start trading. Nope, you can begin with a small investment and gradually build up. Here at Capitalcore, you can start as low as $10 and start your journey. Smart risk management is the key. False notion number 3. Trading is gambling. Now, this is way off the mark. Trading involves analysis, strategy, and risk management. It's a calculated approach, not a game of chance. False notion number 4. You must trade every day. Nope, quality over quantity, my friends. Smart traders wait for the right opportunities and know when to sit on the sidelines. Patience pays off. You don't have to be glued to the trading screen every day. Taking breaks and allowing yourself time to recharge is essential for maintaining a clear mind and making better decisions. False notion number 5. You must be a financial whiz. False. While some financial knowledge helps, anyone can learn to trade. Experience and continuous learning will sharpen your skills. False notion number 6. You'll win every trade. Oh nope, losses are a part of trading. It's about managing risks and maintaining a positive mindset. Learn from losses and move forward. No trader, no matter how skilled, can win every trade. Embracing losses as a learning opportunity is a crucial aspect of becoming a successful trader. Thanks for joining us on this debunking misconceptions about trading adventure. Remember, trading is a journey, not an overnight success. Stay realistic, stay committed, and you'll reach your goals. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow traders. Until next time, as always, may the pips be with you.